You know, no?
Hmm.
I'm surprised.
About?
Since we chose Vasanta Bhavan to eat, no? And
Don't tell the brand name.
Amma, we are getting multiple brands not to tell.
We chose this place to eat. This South Indian place.
Yeah.
Sorry, you
From
say.
this video, Vasanta Bhavan is booming all.
Yeah. They were like, oh my god, Fabi is going there, so let's go there. And then Vasant Baba is not giving you money for that.
Oh, I wish some restaurant sees and ask us to come review them. But 4 or 4:30, no? How come it is so rush? I mean,
It's Saturday weekend, so people are coming out of movie theater, people are coming out of shopping. So, and plus at the peak hour, it's very
that's
crowded.
But then, no, it is veg. One more is, what is nothing wrong in the veg, but so crowded, I thought it would be very free.
Why? I'm telling you, no, that 4:30 is if one movie is like getting over around somewhere like 4:15. So people are coming out, they're finding a nice place to sit. And I have found this thing, a lot of people in Chennai prefer vegetarians.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's eat then. Let's see the menu. He's the owner.
Oh, I didn't know that.
What do you want?
You're so intelligent, baby.
Am I?
No.
Butter roti, plain. Oh shit, roti, no. No roti items.
There's no routine. Oh, it's...
Oh, roti la. It's only roti. You like to have some soup? 1 bite soup we can have. Little.
No, I think I'll jump to main course.
Jump to main course. Immediately you should not jump to main course. Slowly you should have dishes, Anu. If you're not even considering to have in food only in soup, slowly to have different dishes and go to main course, how are you going to...
You done?
Black coffee, it seems.
I don't want black coffee. You ordered it if you want to have black coffee.
Oh, I was asking you, Anu, why are you being so rude?
Was I rude to you?
Oh, you? Huh.
What are you?
Just because camera is on, you're like this now. Okay, fine. What do you like to have, ma'am? Paneer noodles, paneer fried rice.
You want South Indian or you want noodles? What do you want to have?
No, I'll go for South Indian only.
So that is the side.
You want to go to South Indian or North Indian or West Indian? Which one?
I meant by food menu.
I know.
South Indian, North Indian. What do you want to have?
You think you're intelligent? Of course you are. Okay, tell what you want to have. Shopping also getting delayed. You said you want to do a hair wash. That also got delayed. Now food also is getting delayed because you don't know what to choose. Tell me what you want to have. Tension I'm getting, Anu. What do you like to have?
What are you having?
I'll have Bill. Crush it. Okay. What do you like to have?
I asked the same question. What do you want to have?
I think maybe mixed veg fried rice something.
Okay.
Or lunch like North Indian meals. What? Sweet roti, naan, paneer, butter masala, gobi, biryani dal, raita, papad.
And then roti separate, naan separate, paneer, butter masala, gobi 65.
Okay. What is business lunch? See, that has sweet, sambar rice, veg biryani, curd, rice,
Kuruma.
chapati.
What is kuruma?
Kurma, veg kurma is like...
Coconut rice.
Hey, illa, curry.
Turmeric rice.
Curry, I'm telling. Turmeric rice where curry. It's like kurma is vegetables. They'll put and make some kurma.
Oh, like pulao?
Like curry, huh?
Like pulao?
Curry is like gravy.
Oh, okay.
South Indian, it's different. North Indian people are getting confused. Huh? He doesn't know what is kurma. What do you want?
2 minutes, sir.
To tell this only you took 1 minute. He is asking, immediately you should tell. You looked at him and he's like, 2 minutes. No, tell them.
Because you were not saying anything to him, so I just said, like, give me 2 minutes.
I was about to tell him the order. You said 2 minutes and he went off.
You were not. Oh, it looks nice.
It's look nice, no?
But only in pictures.
Yeah, exactly.
You
That's-
decide, please.
Huh?
You decide.
Arey, what you want to eat?
What?
Turn nothing. Arey, turn the money. Tell.
I don't know. You decide.
Sambar rice. I will eat sambar rice also. You will also eat that?
No.
Then why are you? Should we order roti?
No, I'm fine. We can eat rice.
दिल में दिल आई करना we will never order.
Okay, fine. Come back to the point.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you.
Wow, it is so nice to have water.
Yeah, thank God.
What have we decided?
Please decide.
I will decide what you want to have.
Yeah, you decide. I'll eat. You want
Hey.
sambar rice? I'll eat sambar rice.
I will decide for me what you like to have. I think
You know,
I'm
I
doing
want someone in my life only just to tell what should I eat when we are going
sambar
outside.
rice. Sambar rice. Will you? Close this. Quick. Sambar rice.
Why it's so difficult? It should not be difficult. What is paneer sai kurma? I'll take paneer sai kurma.
Huh?
I'll take paneer sai kurma.
That can. What is paneer sai kurma?
I don't know.
I'll ask even.
And then
that
with
seems interesting.
with some rice. Decided.
Okay. This one and paneer sai kurma. No. Okay, done. Take it na.
Chicken na.
Okay.
After taking so much time.
Action once again.
Done. So after taking so much time to decide what we want to eat, the guy told us he has nothing of those food. So we have to stick to the dosa.
இதுல வேற பன்னீர் இருக்க என்ன சொன்ன வாட் டிட் யூ சே பன்னீர்
Paneer sai masala.
பன்னீர் சாய் மசாலா அதெல்லாம் இல்லடா லவ் அப்படின்ட்டான் தோசை சப்பாத்தி வடை கூட they said no வடை நீ
They said no to everything and then finally we were like, okay.
அரை மணி நேரம் நீ யோசிச்சியே wasted time அதுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா we could have called him what do you have I think maybe it got over 4 o'clock no tiffin item this kind of thing only they sell even sambar rice was
I think probably most of the things are over.
huh
Most of the things are over.
yeah hey what
We were
they
late.
have they have what they said no
Maybe that was the last vada they had.
then okay so
Or maybe just they look at you and they were like, this guy, we don't want to give any food to him.
fine we'll have those or what we ordered Mysore
Mysore masala dosa.
it will be nice have you had
How would I know? I'm coming
then
here for the first time.
within a minute you ordered that I mean when he said அவர் வந்து தோசை தான் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னோடனே மைசூர் மசாலா தோசை you had I thought
You also ordered the same. Why did you order the same?
நான் பண்றது yeah because if I add something else no different one you will try to taste that no
No, I will not.
அப்படி சொல்லுவா எடுத்துருவா அதனால தான் ஒரே டிஷ் ஆர்டர் பண்ணியிருக்கிறேன்
But I'm sure you will be like, Anu, why don't you try this one? Try. And then I'm like, okay, I don't want to try. You're like, oh, you don't want to try because I ordered
இப்படி
it.
சொல்லி
You are such a manipulative guy.
இப்படி சொல்லி நான் உனக்கு தோசை வந்தோடனே கொஞ்சம் டேஸ்ட் பண்ண கொடுப்பேன்னு நினைக்கிறியா நோ லேது நஹி
What?
good people understood
What did he say?
எனக்கு தெரியும் நீங்க ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்றீங்க vlogல ரொம்பலாம் கிடையாது சும்மா தோசை சாப்பிட ஒரு 3 vlog போடலாம் தான் I told them don't expect too much in vlog came to eat took vlog now bye we have to eat enjoying no you want to say something to them convey
Just tell me whatever he's saying in Tamil, translate it for me, please.
this will be deleted no I'll only edit okay guys
Or otherwise, you can reach out to me and then tell me what did he say.
yeah reach out to her our address is she's staying in Warrior.
On Instagram, they can tell me.
What is your Insta name
Feelings by Anu.
mental with Anu
Inks. Feelings. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
சார் வடையே இல்லையா சுத்தமா வேற என்ன சார் இருக்கு சைட் டிஷ்ஷா ஒரே ஒரு பஜ்ஜி கொடுங்க
ஒரு பிளேட்ல மென்ச்சல் போட்டு
போட்டாங்க பஜ்ஜி is coming பஜ்ஜி
What bhaji?
some bhaji will come
Like pakoda? Pakoras? No, why did you order pakoras?
Bhaji, dear. Bhaji, you know, in beach channel they do no bhaji.
Pakoras, na?
Pakoda is different.
Huh.
It will come, wait, see.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, guys.
Oh, what's that? What's that? Well, like, does it happen to you also? Like, whenever someone else is ordering something, you always feel like, oh, their food is more tastier than yours.
They have brains, they have ordering nice, different foods. They are always going idli, dosa, roti. Okay. So,
Done? Done with your stupidity?
you like to say anything?
To whom? To them?
Audience.
Oh, there's two. They're very sweet people.
That tunnel we didn't ask. You like to say anything behalf of something? Huh?
No, I'm just saying, guys, if you're coming here, dosa is not that good.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
We'll meet you in another vlog. No idea. அது எங்க எடுக்க போறேன்னு தெரியாது. But we'll meet. Bye.
Vedriya kare what?
Huh?
Thank you, Rumman Adri, to watch it. Thank you.